So looking at another mode on the Thermomix TM6, today it's the peeler mode. So the peeler mode is, at the time of recording, the most recent function added to the Thermomix, so it's at the end on the bottom row. Now it does give you a description here of how it works. The important thing to remember is to have 600 grams of water and no more than 800 grams of vegetables. For best results, it's good if the vegetable pieces aren't larger than the hole in the lid. I mean, they can be a little larger than that, but too big and they won't peel adequately. So the peeler function works by basically throwing the vegetables around and lightly peeling them using the peeler attachment, the blade cover and peeler. So if we go to the next section, in this video I'm just showing you how to activate the mode. In other videos I'll show you the actual results of the peeler function. So here it does default to 4 minutes. I've found with, for example, washed potatoes that only have a very thin peel, that 2 minutes is more than enough. So it will be a matter of experimenting a little bit with the vegetables that you buy. So you can adjust the time and then go here and commence the mode. And that's it. You'll then have beautifully peeled vegetables. Just need to rinse them off and then you're ready to go.